Leatherface, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Since making his screen debut in 1974, Leatherface has appeared in 7 films to date, with a body count of 31 confirmed kills. His trademarks are his skin mask made of human flesh, and of course, his trusty chainsaw. Freddy Krueger. New Line Cinemas, A Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy is a supernatural serial killer, famous for murdering his victims in their dreams. His trademarks are his red and green striped sweater, fedora hat, and finger blade glove, which has laid waste to 42 victims over 9 films. Jason Voorhees. New Line Cinemas, Friday the 13th. While he didn't kill anyone in the original Friday the 13th, Jason has certainly made up for lost time by dispatching an incredible 160 victims over 12 films, making the hockey mask-wearing maniac the most prolific killer in horror movie history.